మధ్యాహ్నం అలా తుడుస్తాను.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
మొత్తంగానే తుడుస్తాను. మొత్తం ఎండనే ఉంటుంది.
Monkey problem, I think, no?
Yes, sir.
11 seconds. Right. Note on this question. The ball is it clear?
Yes, clear.
A ball is projected vertically up such that it passes through. Ball is projected vertically such that it passes through a fixed point a fixed point after a time t1 and t2 respectively. Find the height
The 10 minutes past.
correct time.
10 minutes past.
Find the height at which the point is located. With respect to the point of projection. Okay, speed of projection of the ball third one, velocity of the ball at the time to point P. Fourth one, maximum height reached by the ball relative to the point of projection. Maximum height average speed point A to point P understood this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I do it? See here, noted down the question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
See, the first one is, it is projected from here. Okay, the ball goes up. What is asking? Ball is projected through a fixed point. There is one point here, say P. This ball goes like this, passes through this. Again, it overshoots that. Here the velocity becomes 0. Again, it returns back on its return journey. And of course, reaches the ground. So what he says is, while going up, this is T1. While coming down, this is T2. Agreed? So this is the height of P. And this is U. Any doubt is there? Agreed or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see if you take upward positive, what is that you have? This is upward, H equals UT1 plus half G is downwards now. Similarly, you have UT2 follow this or not? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there? Because
No,
T1
sir.
and T2 displacement is same only, no?
Yes.
This is nothing but H is displacement. From the point, so this is OP, no? Agreed? So now if you equate these two, so if you bring this side, you will have UT2 minus UT1. You bring it this side, you have U half GT square minus half GT1 square, U into T2 minus T1, half G T2 square minus T1 square, half G A plus B into A minus B. Is 2U by G. Do you agree with this? Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
These two. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now substitute this in one of these equations, you will get H. Any of the equations you substitute. And if you simplify, U is nothing but this value is there, na? This value. Do you agree with this?
Sir, how you got US to GY2?
This one. This one.
You substitute initial velocity as G.
This one is there, no? This velocity.
Yes, sir.
That only I substitute.
Okay, okay.
In error I have done.
Yes, I got it.
So what is it? You have half G understood this? Can you suggest any other method? Any other method? See, what I'll do is you have H is equal to at any time. Okay. So this is do you agree with this? Hello? Do you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
It's a quadratic now. T has two values, T1 and T2. Since particle is at same height at two instants. What are those? T1 and T2. Agreed. So what is the product of the roots? Minus B by A. Remember? Quadratic, you remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Here, turn the page.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute.
In a quadratic ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, sum of the roots is minus b by a, product of the roots is c by a, I think. So this is nothing but t1, t2, c by a. What is c here? 2h. A is g, no? Therefore, directly you are getting it one shot now. Because this is easier now.
Yes.
Finished?
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir. Sir, I didn't understand that second method, sir.
Oh, you don't know quadratic equations?
No, sir, I know, sir, but I don't understand how are you taking that product
Let
of the
it,
roots title.
yes, man, this is quadratic, no?
Yes, sir.
Let any, at any instant t, particle be at a height h. Use this h is equal, this you understood?
Yes, sir.
The t has, this is quadratic, a quadratic has how many roots?
2 roots.
Those roots are taken. T has two values of T1 and T2 since particle is the same height. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
I have taken product of the roots is what C by A. We need that only, no? What is asking? H only, no?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Understood. Yes, understood.
Shall I turn this? Then what is asking? Velocity of the ball at the time of passing through point P. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
He's asking velocity at the point P. Easily you can do. What is there in that third one? Velocity at point P is initially u plus minus gt, no? They agree with this or not? While going, what is asking? Speed of projection. Next is the velocity of the, by passing through point P. You can take either T1 or T2, your wish. This is U is how much you got just now? G by 2. G by 2 into
Sorry.
understood? So you got the velocity of the particle while moving up. The third one, maximum height attained. Okay. At maximum height, what will be happening? Velocity will become zero. Is asking maximum height only now. So you can take v square minus u square equals to a delta y if you take this one final 0, initially 2 into minus g. This is only maximum height now. So here u square, what is u you got already? G by T1 plus T2 whole square equals 2GH. H1 you can take. What is H you have? See? You can simplify this or not?
Yes.
Understood this? This is the body is projected like this is the point P. Okay. We got this maximum height we got is this. Now he's asking this one. Maximum height reached above point P. What is the maximum height attained above the point P? That's what he's asking now. That is nothing but this is already got H. Remember this? This is H minus H1. H is G by minus small h.
Small h.
G by 8 into T1 plus T2 whole square. What is small h1? Already you got this one.
G by 2 of T1 plus T2.
G T1 T2. That is U. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
This is G by 8 T1 plus T2 whole square minus 4 T1 T2. You take common. Am I right or not? Hope you know this much mathematics. A plus B whole square minus 4AB is how much? A minus B whole
Minus
square.
B whole square.
Followed this or not? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
Immediate 7.
Fast. You know your exam date, you know?
Number 27.
Hmm? Pardon?
So this Sunday.
No, final exam. Boards.
Number 27, sir.
No, it is around April 2nd week they are saying. No? For second year they gave March 16th. Usually it will be during around that time. Okay, 1 month delay also, April 2nd week. Today I'll just send the syllabus and our calendar, means when we will complete. And accordingly you plan your work also. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
What is the last one?
Average speed and average velocity.
Average speed. Okay, average speed. Yeah, what is average speed? Average speed during t equals to 0 to t equals t1 is distance traveled by time. This is nothing but AP by T1. This is nothing but just now you got AP. How much you got?
G by 2
H.
T1 T2.
H by T1. Half G T1 T2 by T1. That is how much you get? Half GT. Agreed or not? Okay. Even average velocity also. What is the difference between these two? You have to take their displacement by time. Displacement is AP by time. AP H by T2. Half G T1 T2 by T2. How much you are getting? Half G T1. Do you agree with this? Similarly, you have another thing. What is the distance you have, man? Distance
T by
traveled. Pardon?
T1 T2.
No. You can see
G by
distance
8.
H plus H1. Remember? Because you can see this. It travels from A to P, O2 till this point. This is H plus this is H1, no?
Yes.
Note on this. Got?
It comes back to the ground, right? Then
Huh?
why T1? No, sir,
Huh?
understood. Understood, sir.
Displacement in time T2 is H only. But distance travel will be different, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is H1. You already got H. What is H mean?
G by 8 into T1 plus T2 whole square.
No, this is G1, G2. This is total distance is this one only, no? Just now you got this. Remember? You check up any doubt is there? By T2. Do you agree with this? So you will get G T1 square plus T2 square whole by 4 T2. They agree with this or not? Any doubt? Whereas you will get average velocity is displacement by time. This is nothing but h1, you know. Agreed. Followed this. First time is average of during this is T and T1 is asking. Please correct this, is asking T1 while going up. Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see
Sir,
if
we
you
got the
consider
value of
pardon?
sir, we got the sir.
Pardon, H is half GT1 T2. No, you are saying. Hello, check up that. That is you. What you are saying is you.
No, sir, he's saying H1, sir.
H1, how much you got?
H1 is we got G by into T1 minus T2 whole square, sir. But capital H, that max height, we got G by into T1 plus T2 whole square. But you substitute half into
Yes, sir.
GT1 T2.
Average speed.
Here, what you are saying, capital H. Capital
Yes,
H,
sir.
how much we got, man?
H1, sir.
G by into T1 plus T2 whole square.
Okay, you can do like this. You take this H. If you take capital H, please see. This is capital H, you know. This is H1 now.
Yes, sir.
This is H now. T is equal to T2 now. Now from here to here you can take two things. From here it is H plus H1 or H plus written journey H1 plus H1. Can I take like this?
Yes, sir.
Now it is correct only. Now I have taken this twice now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now correct.
Now if you take capital H, this can also be taken as H plus H1 plus H1 if you want. This is nothing but capital H plus H1 by T2. You will get the same result. Understood this? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Anybody missed vectors in this section? Anybody have option for vector session?
Yes.
I'll take a small revision class on Sunday. If you want, you can join.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, in assignments, there is given fourth law of motion. I'm not able to understand it, sir.
Which one?
In assignments, fourth law of motion is given, sir. For second, and fourth second, something like that.
In which assignment is it there? Yes, sir. AG,
AV,
AV. Fourth law of motion. Fourth law of motion with this one, Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus 2n minus 1 is there, no, that one.
Yes, sir, that one.
V is equal to u plus 80, S is equal to ut plus half 80 square. V square minus u square equals to S. Distance, the displacement in the nth second is u plus a into n minus half. Remember?
Maybe I missed that class, sir.
That is only fourth law. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Completed, sir.
Completed? One second. See, anything is visible? Anything is visible, man?
Clearly not visible, sir.
Now?
No clear, sir.
Now it is visible, sir. Now it is.
One second. Is it clear now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finish this.
No, sir.
Finished?
1 minute.
Done, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute,
Wait,
sir.
sir. 1 minute, sir.
You can done, sir.
These are all problems of higher level. So initially it will feel difficult, but IIT means you need to know all this. There's no other way. Have some patience. So here you can see what he says first one. Above the top of the cliff they meet, it seems. That's what he gave now. One particle is projected like this. Another particle is projected like this.
One particle is projected
These
like this.
particles will meet somewhere. When this particle goes like this particle, that's what he's saying in the first case. Understood this? That is what he says or not?
One particle is projected like this.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one particle is projected like this.
What is asking? If the bodies meet, because okay. See, then you have for this particle, what is the displacement? Particle 1. Displacement of particle 1 is nothing but from here to here only, no? What is the displacement of particle 2? Hello? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 2. Agreed?
Yes.
Understood this now? Clear? So you have they collide. See, both are at the same instant they meet here. Here also, this is t equals to 0, this is t equals to 0. The time of travel is same for both, no? For the second particle, you have v2, no, the velocity, minus half gt square. Now, if you can relate this, you can see that h plus s1 is s2 or not? This is s2 minus s1. Substitute this value. Boys, falling or not?
Yes, sir.
Or happily you're sleeping morning hours.
Yes.
Maths sir has taken ideal time, I think.
This is also lunchtime. Sir.
Lunchtime. Why am I 9 to 10:30? No, what is it?
Time, sir. This time is
Huh?
Even this time is ideal time.
For sleeping, huh? Hopeless fellow. Got this? Yes, that only no. Read the question. Find the time when they meet. If suppose first option they meet above the cliff. Okay. Second question is if they meet between the top and bottom. Shall I turn this page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Sir, both the times are same.
Pardon?
The time will be same. Both the times.
Suppose they're projected, let them meet at a time t because velocities may be different, no? Speeds are not same, no?
Yes, sir.
This may be moving slowly, this may be moving faster. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next one is, it says that this is the cliff. So you are projecting this with V1. This goes up, comes down. So this is at t equals to 0. This is at t equals to 0. They meet at t equals t1. Now you can see that is the displacement of second one. This is the displacement of first one. Displacement means vector joining the initial final positions. Now, what is the displacement from 0 to t for the first particle means initial position to final position. What is the displacement for the second particle from t equals to 0 from t equals to t means just join this. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
So you have from the diagram S1 plus S2 is H. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see if we take upward as positive, you have S is equal to Vt minus half Gt square. Why I have taken negative sign is because upward is positive. Similarly, this is S2 V2t minus. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now from the diagram you can see that S1 plus S2 is nothing but H only now. Do you agree with this? That means substitute this minus of minus S1.
Sir,
Yes.
screen is not clear, sir. Audio working
Now
out.
clear, sir. Camera focus was not there.
No.
Now clear.
Clear,
Not
sir.
clear, sir.
Agreed. So this is minus Vt half Gt square V2 half Gt square is H. So if you strike this, T equals H by V2 minus V1. Same as before, no? Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Sir, in this diagram, how are we saying that S1 plus S2 is H, sir?
Pardon? Same man. This is S1, this is S2. Sum is H only, no? Look at this. Hello? Am I right or not? See?
That part is S1, sir.
Pardon?
That small part is S1, not the whole one.
This I told you is not visible, here to here, no? Displacement means vector joining initial to final position only, no man.
Yes, understood.
Displacement by definition is that.
Done, sir.
Finished? Next, the third one, same way. What he says is, they meet somewhere below this, it seems, as per the question. That means, this is on some platform. It goes like this, then again comes down. Okay. Similarly, the second particle which is thrown from here goes somewhere, velocity becomes 0, again comes over here. They meet here at t equals to t. they are projected at t equals to 0. This is t equals to 0. Till here, any doubt is there, man?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now you can see for the second particle, this is S2. Do you agree with this? Displacement means from initial to final. Displacement between 0 to t. That means from this position to this position. Because at 0 it is here only, no? Agreed or not? This is
Yes,
the
sir.
position.
Sir.
Similarly, what is the displacement for the first particle? Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now this is H now.
Sir.
Clear? Now you can see this
S1 minus S2 equal to.
S1 or S2 plus H is S1. If you look at this diagram, this is S2, this is H, this is S1. Do you agree with this or not?
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agree.
S1 is, I am taking upward as positive, no? Ut minus half gt square. S2, you have Vt minus half gt square. Do you agree with this or not? Both are negative only. For a simple reason that upward I am positive, displacement is downwards, no? Everything signs are correct only, no? Now you have this as minus of do you agree with this? Substitute these values here. Following or not?
Always.
Minus this is nothing but see again what you are getting T.
Sir, H by V2 minus V1.
Same thing you got. Okay. That means wherever they meet, always you are getting height of the tower. They meet at any point, you can see that the time is same.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
They will meet only if V2 is more than this. If it is less, time is negative. It is not possible, no? So condition for meeting is V2 should be greater than V1. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Should I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Completed now? Then go note down this. Visible now? Finished?
No, sir.
You can see every problem is only logical oriented. There is no you're using only those four sort of formulas and the situations are changing. So you should have the capacity to immediately get into that situation. What should be done? Okay. Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Comrade?
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Can you please show the previous page for a second?
Allow you complete this. Wait, I'll show. Allow you complete this.
Yes, sir.
Remove this.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Here, previous page.
Thank you, sir.
What?
Yes, sir.
See, when the body is projected, it reaches the ground. In all three cases, what will be the displacement, man? Where it is projected upward or
H.
it is projected downwards. Yes, in any three cases, in any of these cases, okay, the ball has to cover the displacement H only, this is to cover here only,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the displacement vector is from here to here only, So
Yes,
you
sir.
can see that we can S is equal to UT plus a half AT square. If you take upward as positive, this is minus H. Okay. First case, what you have? Case 1. UT he says time is T1. Agreed. Second case, you have okay. Now what is the third case?
Minus half GT. GT3.
So the sea is freely falling. Understood till here? Hold on.
Sir, when should we take gravity positive if we take the downside positive?
Yeah, whenever you're taking downward positive, you'll take it. Understood
Okay.
this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now we have to get, because this is 0. Third case u is 0 now.
Yes.
Agreed?
Minus half. Yes, sir. Yes, correct.
Huh?
No, sir.
Correct
Correct.
now. Now again we should somehow eliminate from these two, multiply first equation with T2 and second equation with T1. Okay, then what is that you get here? If you subtract one from the other, what is that you have? Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes.
Any doubt is there? Here, see, we have to take here negative, that's why it went. It's negative now. U is downwards.
Yes, sir.
Very small mistake. Now we can see that we have to eliminate this. From these two, you have to eliminate one term. So what you'll do is just add them. When you add them, you will get minus half so this is nothing but h if you take so what is h you got? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you can see that substitute from this equation and a b. What you can conclude? You are having h is equal to half gt square. H is also equal to half g t1 t2. From this, what is t square?
T1, T.
So when the body is let fall freely, it will be T1, T2. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
Sir.
Understood, sir.
See, tomorrow, see, class will be at 7 only. But sometimes today there is little bit network did not connect actually. I tried, took 10-15 minutes. So don't expect every day it will be. It happened as by tomorrow you won't have any problem with net because I'm taking a dedicated line. I'm expecting today
Okay, sir.
that totally optic fiber connected to the laptop.
Okay.
Already I have 3, but they're not working to the optimum. Another one I'm trying. Let us see. Okay, till here you followed now.
Yes, sir.
Right, right.
Followed, sir.
Take care. We'll meet tomorrow then. Bye then.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.